Hello there and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video. And in this video, I want to show you how you can create the bump chart, or which is basically the ranking chart using Charticulator. So Charticulator, if you have seen my previous video, here I have given the introduction of Charticulator based on the Power BI Workout Wednesday exercise, right? And if I show you, this is sort of a chart that we had created. It has somehow, if I go in edit mode, I think it will show up properly. Somehow its values are not showing, but yeah, it was like, you have a line and you have a circle in the end, and then it basically shows the lollipop chart. If I show you quickly using the link which has been given here, this will give you a quick idea if you have not seen that. So it is populating. Yeah, that's what I was referring to. So this is the chart we created it, but I'm exploring more this Charticulator, and this time I'm creating the bump chart. So bump chart is something, a template has been given, which is nothing but the ranking. If I just show you over here in my Power BI page, I will just change the page name to bump chart. And if it's nothing but if you go over here and edit, so first thing first, if you are coming here very first time about this is a custom visual. You need to sign in using your official ID. Go over here and get more visual, and here you need to add the Charticulator. Charticulator is a custom chart components. So Charticulator is your custom component. It is from Microsoft Corporation to simplify the lives, especially for those who are, historically they have worked on Tableau and they want to create a similar type of chart, especially because even I have done that. So that's something useful. This is a component. When I clicked on this is the screen which I get. Couple of first 3 steps as to how to get started. So that's what it is. Now I go over here and click on edit, right? So we have this bump chart, right? So you can click on this bump chart. You can, first thing first is you need template. So make sure you click on template and you get the same data set to start with so that it becomes easy for us. So you click on template, and this, if you click OK, it will ask you to download the template. Since I have already downloaded it, I can import it. But before importing, I need the data set as well. So I can use my sales data set, but just to show you how you can easily do it, and I will also show you how you can utilize your normal data set with the help of the expression. So another thing is you need to have this data set, right? So that is something also I have imported. So if I go over there in get data, not Excel actually, you have the CSV. So you have the CO2 emission ranking. So if I double click over here, you will see that the list of countries, the year, the emission, and the rank, right? So I think this is a handful of countries, like 10-15 countries, and then we'll click on load. So all in all, the Charticulator template is expecting a data in this format, but there is a slight problem. I'll show you. Click on load, and once it is loaded, you have the CO2 emission ranking. We can see the data over here, and yeah, there you go. The only one problem is that this year, if I select it, this is a whole number instead of the date. So that's the only challenge with this when we will use it in the front end. So we need to make sure that we convert it into a proper date. So I will going to click on new column. There you go. And this is where we will going to create a date out of this year. So I will call it year underscore date. And I will use the date function where I need to specify the year. Year should be CO2 emission year, comma 1, comma 1. That means first month, first day. You can choose whatever you want. This is what I want. This is I like convenient. And I'll click OK. So this is a date properly converted. I don't need time, so I will just remove that. So now I have proper date, right, which I can use in my Charticulator and all. So with that information, what do I need is basically from the date hierarchy, I need the year, and I need the rank, right? I need the emission, and I need the country as well, I believe, right? All the 4 values. Okay, so once we have this, we click on the import template. If you remember, when you clicked on this template, you must have saved it. So this is the bump chart. You double click over here. So you have 3 values. What it is asking you is the year. So what is the year? Year is year. Over here, as you can see, you have the country. Country is mapped to the country. And rank is basically the rank. We don't need actually the emission. So we click on save mapping. And now you have it, right? Even if I remove this and save this, go back to the report, you have your beautiful looking rank of carbon dioxide emission over a period of time, clearly indicating who has moved on to second position, like United States from 1992 to 2011. And this is where your country, Indonesia, it has moved up, then down, then up. So but France looks like doing really great, where I think this was the 6th position to the last position now. So basically indicates who is emitting more carbon emission or a CO2 emission, and who is doing less. And this is how the great visual looks like. So now a thought will be coming to a normal developer, I mean to a regular developer or an analyst, whomsoever is using it. Okay, this is fine. You have the good clean data set and you are done. What about my own data set, right? Like for example, the sales data set or finance data set, where I need a ranking, right? For example, I want to look at the product sales over a period of time, and I want to rank them, let's say, right? So that's something what we are going to do next, so that you know what to do. Bump chart on sales. Okay, so first thing first, we click over here on Charticulator, right? This will open up this window, and then we need what? We need the product. Either I can take product category or I can take product subcategory. Subcategory has some more values, so that would be interesting. So I'll take subcategory. It has around 10 to 12 values. It has just 4 values. So subcategory is one I need to take. I need to take year. So order date is present over here. From there, I will take the year. But I don't have the rank. I have the sales value, but I don't have the rank. So I need to create a rank that is on the subcategory, right? So for that, I need to make sure that this is selected, and I need to click on the new measure. And this measure is basically something I'm recreating it from my previous video, where I showed you with the help of the DAX calculation how you can convert the ribbon chart into the bump chart. If you have not seen that, I'll just show you that in exercises you may have this one. This is the exercise which was given on the workout Wednesday. How you can turn the ribbon chart into bump chart. You have the video link, as well as you have the week 11 exercise link in column C, so you can see this piece. So I'm just recreating that, and I am saying sales underscore product subcategory underscore ranking. So this is something what we need to create using the rank X, and here we need to find the column The column is subcategory because this is on that we need to create a rank. So all selected, subcategory, right? And then using the calculate, we need to do the sum of sales. Close this, close this, close this. Nothing is happening. You are creating the rank of sales by subcategory. That is all which is happening. Subcategory is present here, sum of sales is present here under the calculate function, so that it calculates for each category. So you have it, sales, and you put it over here. This is the rank. Now what we do is we just select over here so that it showed me this, and go to edit and import template. Template is bump chart. So here year is mapped to year, country is subcategory, right? And rank is this DAX function, and you click on save map, and there you have it, right? Save. I'm not doing a lot of formatting, as you can see, but you have a lot of formatting option over here. As you can see, you have chart, link, plot, title, so on and so forth. So you go back and there you have it. The only thing which you are not able to see is basically your name of your subcategories, right? So it shows like how the dimensions have gone up, down over here, but what it does not show is the so for that we'll go into the edit. Sometimes it acts weird. I feel that it is acting weird, so what I'll do is, instead of doing anything, I will just save this and reopen my Power BI. So I'll go here and open the Power BI, because if you remember, it was also not showing the lollipop chart lines and circle. So I'm just assuming that that is what the issue is. So if I just click it over there, because ideally there is no issue. It's all part of the template that is being created. Okay, it has not come for some reasons. Do I have the lines over here on the lollipop chart? No, I don't have the lines also. So I'm just assuming that some issue with my version which I'm using it over here, maybe when I again restart my system or something, but I can still work out with this. So if you see, I have this glyph, right? Looks like it is all white color. So if I come over here, this is some category, font is this, right? Margin, okay, margin is like this, color, first subcategory, outline, background. I don't know what color I should choose. I think I should choose some light color. Yeah. Why? I don't know, some weird reason that it is not showing up. How about if I just drag it till here? Because it has the value, or it is opacity. Does it do anything? Nope. Background, change the background to 1. Nope. Yeah, it looks like some issue with what I have added as a Charticulator, because I have experimented with this and it was showing perfectly fine. No, nothing like it. If I reduce the margin, will it show? Save, back to report. Yeah, something is really weird going on with this, but because I can relate with this was showing to me earlier, it was not showing right now. So I can check it later, but that's all in all your entire process is to create the bump chart. You should have the names like this over here. If I come here, write this one, right? So what I'll do, if there is anything issue is going on with my data or something, I will look into it, but that's basically the entire processes. And I am just assuming that because of the lollipop chart, it is not showing the values, it is not showing it over there as well. But if I found anything, I will show it to you. Right now, nothing is coming in my mind as what it is doing because this is quite new to me. So that's about it, and I'll meet you in new video with a new topic.